Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is on my driving robot Discovery based on the TXT controller made of fischertechnik. TXT controller runs embedded Linux programmed in Python, and main focus is these two LEDs which I added last time and signal visibly when the motors are running. And last time that didn't go very well, so I want to continue with that. The first thing I want to look at is the LED, this one in particular. Both were tested fine when I made the combination, but somehow this one doesn't work. So what I want to do is take the multimeter, that is of that one, and to see if the voltage is coming through. If it is coming through, I have to measure further on the connectors, because somewhere something is not quite going right. So let's have a look. So the first thing I'm going to do is one probe here and one probe on the other side. And that shows to be a very good connection. So I don't need to measure there any further. This one already did work out, as this shows. So the fact that it doesn't work means basically that there's nothing going out. So let me measure on the connectors themselves. That is working out fine as well, and that is the control for the motors. So the fact that that shows out correct, why doesn't that work when the motors are running? So I'm going to engage the motors via the terminal and then see whatever happens. And so I'm with screencast, and as you can see the battery voltages are quite low and they have been fully charged. So I'm not quite sure why they are now very low. Anyway, I'm going to run the software and see whatever happens. I don't need a network error. And pictures are being sent, but I need to see it running, and that is not happening for now. Two LEDs burning. That's a better result than it used to, but the problem is it doesn't move. So without those LEDs I had not known that the motors had actually been activated. So that is a big plus. And once again the motors have been activated. And once again. Alright. No use in doing that anymore. One thing is clear. Motors are being engaged because the LEDs are showing so. Yet it doesn't move a centimeter or a millimeter. So what's going wrong here? Maybe, just maybe, the voltages could be. Let me recharge and see whatever happens then. As you can see, the controller has gone offline at a voltage of some 5 volts. I'm leaving it at that, but I'm now measuring a freshly charged battery pack. So let's see how that ends up. 9 volts. That should be enough. Should be good. Putting it online. And let's measure. Going to the menu. There it is. Yep. And now measuring either one of them. Okay. So I'm switching off this one. Now this one is fully switched on. And it shows 7.5 volts. So that is not very good. How does a battery pack show 9 volts on the multimeter and only 7.5 volts here? Unless I take this away. And even then it says 8 something. So it was measuring 2 battery packs. Now it's only measuring 1, but that's also not very good. Anyway, I have to log in again and then see again what the robot does. So, run. And see what happens this time. Yeah, it runs. Oh yeah. Well, it is quite clear that motor voltage is a big question right now. Because yes, it has been charged, but 9 volts or 8 volts, that is a big difference for this controller, for this software as well. But those motors are being used and I don't hear any gears rattling, so I have to perhaps change the batteries. Segmentation fault. Oh, that's a new one. Alright. Anyway, mystery on the LED is solved, but not the mystery on the wheels. And another mystery added on the battery packs. Well, then a test finally to from RoboPro to see if things work in that way. So let's see, that works out. Although still with a slipping axis, but it does work. Then motor 2. That does not work out very good, but you can see how this is activated. So something does work. And with these results, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye, and don't forget to take a look at my website, which is listed under the video.